What is good, everyone? In this video, I'm going to be ranking the things that will actually make you rich. No BS. The way this tier list works is that the more higher I rank something, the more richer it will make you, and obviously fast and more freedom. So let's start with Claude AI. I know you've probably seen a lot of videos. Claude AI, use AI in your business. I'm going to be honest, this is the meta. This fucking works, okay? Especially if you know how to use it. I get my plans with this, my content plan, my scaling plan, etc. and etc. So it totally depends on how you use it. Personally, I sell info for a living. That's why it's good for me. But you have to know what you're doing with this to make this work, okay? You cannot just freeball with it, okay? This should be a tool for your business, not just a tool to make money. No, this doesn't make you money. You have to have a business and then use it as a tool. I'm gonna put it in S tier if you know how to use it, okay? Because this is so fucking powerful, okay? Let's move on to Forex trading, okay? Some of you may know my first personal brand was about trading. I used to be teaching people how to trade. I'm gonna be honest, even though I taught people how to trade, it's not that great. You know why? Because 97% of the people never will make a lot of money. And the title of this video is that the things that will actually make you money, this can most definitely make you money. And if you are really good at it, it will make you money. But for most people, it will not make you money. It will actually cause you to lose money. But I'm gonna put it in C tier for a simple fact that most people won't succeed with this, okay? I'm gonna be dead honest, right? We all know it. Trading is freaking hard, and the markets usually will beat you, just like in the casinos. But if you know what you're doing, it'll make you money. But for most, unfortunately, it will not make you money. Let's move on to dropshipping / e-com. Listen, I have a friend who I was just in Dubai with. He's making like 10K for a day. This can most definitely make you a lot of fucking money. If you really stick with it, if you actually lock in and you don't quit and you don't have many baskets to put your eggs into, then this will make you a lot of fucking money. Especially now with AI, okay? I know my friend uses Claude, a lot of these AI tools with his e-com store. You have risk, you're gonna spend a lot of money on ads, but still, it's a great way to make money. I'm gonna put it in A tier for a simple fact that it's a solid way to make money online, okay? But obviously, very time consuming, will make you a lot of money in the long run if you just stick with it, okay? But personally, I don't do e-com. Okay, but let's move on. TikTok Shop, it has been there for a while. It has been making people some money. Kind of like dropshipping, but worse, because you have to like promote some shitty products that you don't really care about. In this case, it's like to the next level, okay? You're showing your face to promote some shitty products that you generally don't have any interest in. I've also heard that there's a lot of downsides to this, and if you're gonna show your face, at least sell something valuable that you really care about. So I'm gonna put TikTok Shop to B tier, because let's be honest, most people who talk about TikTok Shop online usually have something to sell you. They sell information themselves and actually don't necessarily do TikTok Shop that much. Okay, that's how it goes. People who sell info make the most money, and that's why I'm gonna move on to that now. Selling your own expertise online, selling information, selling mentorships, coaching programs, etc., building a personal brand around that. That's very fucking powerful. Like you building a personal brand, selling info. Like for me, my first info business was selling trading, built that, made multiple six figures, and now I help you sell your expertise online in this channel, because this is a new channel, as you can see. And this is the fucking meta. This is the thing that nobody will talk about. And your favorite mentor is doing this. He's selling info, but he's teaching some, like maybe trading. He's teaching trading. He's teaching fucking e-com, branded dropshipping, SMMA, whatever. But he's actually selling info and making the most money with this, because that's how it goes. People who teach make the most money in this field, okay? Selling info, S tier, okay? This is goated. And if you want to learn, then subscribe, because I will be posting a lot of value on info business in this channel. So stay tuned, subscribe. Okay, then let's move on to another way of making money online, essentially sales, okay? Let's say you get paid commission by a guy who does info, and you're just the guy who sells the product to the customers in sales calls. Sales is very good. It's a very good skill to have, okay? Life is sales. You convincing a girl to like you is sales. Everything is sales, so it's very powerful. The skill is very good. Let's say if you don't have any skills like to teach in your personal brand, you don't know how to sell info, you don't want to sell info or whatever, then this is pretty solid, because like you can just start selling and getting paid by commission. But the minus is that you're building someone else's business, you're making them more money, and you're just getting paid by commission. And some people are just fucking scumbags. They don't even pay you. That's just what has happened. So I'm gonna put it in B tier. It's a very good skill to have, but it's not the best way to make money. I'm gonna be honest, it's kind of mid, right? Let's move on to investing, long-term investing, like putting your money to S&P 500 and letting it grow, passive income. This is fucking S tier if you have money to put in. Okay, if you just put $100, you're not gonna make anything. Okay, there's a lot of fucking gurus online who just tell you that, yeah, just put $100 every single day or every month and you'll become a millionaire when you're 90 years old. Listen, bro, that's not the way to go. But if you have a business, let's say you have a personal brand, you're selling info, you're making a fuck ton of money or whatever, you're making a fuck ton of money with your business, and every month you put like 10, 20, 30, 5K or even more, depending on your fucking budget, and you just put it there, you don't look, set and forgets, that's the meta, okay? Because it's better than keeping the money in your bank. So this is a very great way to make money passively. So I'm putting in S tier for sure. And it's just like when you have a business, you should always put some money on the side to maybe S&P 500, okay? Not financial advice, but this is the method, right? Let's move to copywriting. I know you've probably seen those videos where people will teach you about copywriting. Listen, bro, copywriting it's honestly mid, because usually the people who want to copyright for someone, they first have to cold outreach. Okay, I'm getting at least 10 DMs on Instagram daily. People who want to copyright for me, people who want to do sales for me, people who want to promote stuff for me, or you get it. Cold outreach. You have to do cold outreach. It's not that great, and you're building someone else's business, and you get paid just pennies and dimes. So it's not that great. I'm gonna put it in the C tier. You're just building someone else's business, but if you enjoy it, okay, cool. But listen, bro, it's not that great. Bitcoin, investing into Bitcoin, bro. Listen, bro, this is just, I know you probably have seen a lot of videos online, people teaching you how to invest into Bitcoin, this and that. Listen, bro, we've all seen Bitcoin. It's doing shit right now, but obviously it may go up, it may go down. But in my opinion, putting your money to S&P is much better, especially in the long run. But this one, not that great, bro. Not that great. I'm just putting in D tier, bro. Not my fucking favorite. Okay, unless you like to gamble, etc., etc. But listen, that's just my opinion. But you can do whatever you want. Okay, I'm putting in D tier regardless. Let's move on to starting a YouTube channel, essentially, like Mr. Beast channel, or just posting videos in general, like whatever, social experiments, fucking entertainment, whatever. You just gaming videos. You just want to start a YouTube channel to make money. Is this the best way to make money? No, but you're still building something powerful. You're essentially building a personal brand, which is very powerful, but you're not doing it the right way. The best way to make money online is obviously building a personal brand around a skill that you have, and you literally selling the expertise through mentorships, courses, etc., etc. So the way you should do it is obviously that, but if you do it this way, you just start a YouTube channel, you start posting. It's still good. You're making money from AdSense, maybe some sponsorships, but it's not the best way. So therefore, I'm gonna put it in A tier. You should do it this way, the way I do it, the way I teach. But if you still want to make some money, it still gives you a lot of opportunities, don't get me wrong. Okay, YouTube automation, man. I'm gonna be dead honest. Very, very highly saturated shit. Saturated market. Everybody's trying to do it. Everybody's trying to do this shit, man. And it's just so fucking mid. Okay, you get paid pennies and dimes, and the one who's teaching you is doing this shit. He's selling info, and he's teaching you how to do YouTube automation. You pay him 5K for a mentorship to learn this, and he makes a lot of money from you. So listen, this is just, I'm gonna put it in fucking C tier, because like, you're just, again, you're not building anything crazy. You're just posting purposeful content, like clips of some people, clips of Andrew Tate, clips of fucking nonsense. You're just building something that is not sustainable. I'm just gonna be honest, okay, regardless, man. All right, online courses. Selling online courses is actually very powerful, but it's overrated in the info space, okay? Because most people, they start a personal brand, just like me, like you should, and they start selling courses. I've sold courses, okay? I've made a lot of money selling courses, but it's low ticket, and it's not that great to make money with your personal brand. Selling high ticket is the meta, okay? Selling high ticket mentorships, programs, etc., is super powerful. But if you just want to sell courses, it's still alright. But I'm gonna put it in A tier, because like, this is much better. But if you look at the list right now, everything that's on the list is a way of making money, But I'm gonna be honest, the best way to make money is do this, start a personal brand, and teach some of these skills in here. And then people pay you 5 to 10K per client. And obviously you shouldn't start to scam people. Don't scam people, guys. You should actually have some expertise in these. If you're actually making some money with these, or if you have a six-pack, you can teach it to people with your personal brand. And then you set up a course, a mentorship, actually not a course, a mentorship, and then you make a lot of money. And then you build your personal brand, you build a fucking legacy, you build an empire of people who buy from you. Okay, but if you want to learn how to do that exactly, then check the first link in the description, and also subscribe to this channel. And yeah, man, as usual, I'll see you on the other side. Peace out.